Hey, what's up? Welcome to Backyard Smoke. I'm your host James, and today we're going to be cooking lemon pepper ribs on the Weber kettle. Hey guys, what's going on? So we're back today with a whole new recipe where we're cooking up some lemon pepper ribs on the Weber kettle. I wanted to keep this recipe really simple because a lot of people have a kettle and it's one of the most common grills. So it's going to be real simple here. That's how we season it, what temp we cook it at, and we're kind of going to go a little old school. We're not doing no wrap today, using the mop sauce, and just have some fun with it. Now, if you've never been here before, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like content like this, and follow us on our social at Instagrams and at Facebook at Backyard Smoke 614. We really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get to the. Okay, so we already went ahead, removed the membrane, kind of squared them up. If you want to see a video on how I do that, I'll put a link in the description right here. So check it out. It's going to be real quick. It's going to be real simple how we set this up. The first thing that we're going to do, sorry, it's for another cook, is get some mustard on there. I love a mustard binder. And we do both sides. We don't need a lot, just going to help the rub stick. Now we are going to put a little bit of garlic on here because the lemon pepper rub that we're using today already has salt and pepper in it, some dehydrated onion and whatnot, but I want a little bit of garlic flavor on mine, just a little bit. So we'll just pat that in. And then we're going to take the lemon pepper. Go up the other side. Oh, it was a little bit too small for what we're doing. And we always want to pat it in, don't rub it. Get your edges. Flip it over and do the same thing again. And don't be afraid with the lemon pepper. Pork is thick, they can take it. We're going to sit here and let this just sit for about 5 minutes. The grill is almost ready. And we're going to let these seasonings go ahead and just work their way into the skin. Alright, so we're starting off today with some B&B lump. Put a little bit over here. We're going to put a chunk of cherry right here to get started. And a chunk of hickory on this side. That hickory is pretty big, it's going to burn for quite a while. We're going to get our temp up to about 250 degrees, and we're going to put our rib right here in the middle. And when we do that, we'll be right back. Alright, so our grill is up to temp. We got some smoke rolling. Everything is looking good. It's really nice. We're going to go ahead and put our slab on. Alright, she looks good. We're gonna let this just ride for about an hour and a half before we even come back and look at it. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we're still sitting at 250. And it's been about 3 hours. It wasn't really doing much at the 150 mark. But as you can see, the color looks amazing. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all so y'all can see this. What we gonna do, we're gonna hit it with our mop sauce. That looks good right there. Our mop sauce is made up of apple cider vinegar, water, Worcestershire, a little bit of sugar, paprika, cayenne, and I'll leave the full thing in the description, but we're gonna let this go ahead and ride and keep on going. All right, you guys, we are finally done. This cook took about 6 hours, maybe 6.5, but it was a nice low and slow cook at 250. We're gonna go ahead and slice into these and see about getting us a bite. These ribs smell delicious, and they look it too. Let me turn them on the back end. You guys can kind of see the bonings, pull back, everything. It looks wonderful. I like to cut and just follow right along the bone here. Let's give you a look. This is good. It looks wonderful. We didn't wrap these at all. Bone, they tear easy. Fall off the bone, nice and clean. So get you a little piece, buddy. Come on. Let's go on ahead and get a bite.
Yummy.
This is good. I like it.
Yummy.
What do you think, little buddy?
I like it.
You like it? It's definitely got that lemon pepper in there. You can really taste it. The crust is good. They fall off the bone. Well, not off the bone, because I don't like fall off. I kind of like a little bit of pull with mine.
Oh,
Doggies, you'll get yours. Actually, I gave y'all some meat. I had another cut. I'm not giving the dogs lemon pepper.
whoa.
Sorry. But I mean, look at this. It just falls right off the bone. Straight clean. This is good. So if you guys want to come out here, give this a try, get some lemon pepper, some Tony Chachere's, whatever it is you got. I think Tony Chachere's. Tony's makes these. Subscribe. Do all that, man. We got to have fun. It is 75 degrees right now. I am happy, and these ribs taste magnificent. Go on ahead and give this recipe a try and subscribe. And I'll check you guys later.
And push the like button right there. Bye bye.
He says it. Bye bye.